Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my Lego videos. Today I decided to build the Lego Technic Lamborghini. I've never actually built a Lego Technic car like this before, so I know that this is going to be a very hard challenge for me to do, but I know that I will complete it eventually. This has 806 pieces. It is set 42196 and it is 9 up. It comes with 7 bags, which all of these 7 bags are probably going to be completed very, very slowly so I can make sure I'm putting everything together nice and neatly. These are the stickers. If you guys know me, you guys know that I do not like stickers. Stickers are one of the worst things for me to do. It didn't come with a brick separator, so I had to take one of my own from all my other different sets. It does have 2 ropes to attach. These are like bendy. This is the booklet that it came with. So it's a chunky booklet, so when it's a chunky booklet, I either have 2 decisions to make. Either I'm excited or I'm scared. But in this case, I'm scared because this is a really big one to build. But without further ado, let's get started.
Look at these pieces too. These black middle pieces.
What the heck? Oh, what? Okay. I thought this was right. This is bag 1. It's literally not much at all. This is the part that moves around. Let's move on to bag 2. This is bag 2. What do you think about bag 2? This actually works. Like this engine part actually works, as well as I'm trying to figure out. This opens up here. This moves here. This part is like you can move this and it moves like this much. So that's a really cool feature that it has. Let's move on to bag 3. Just finished doing bag 3. This is the progress that we made so far. Still doesn't look like much, but you can tell that it's some sort of car. Honestly, my favorite part is that these actually move. You can push these up. Looks like a engine's getting going here. But we're gonna start working on bag 4. Okay, so I just finished up bag 4. This is what bag 4 kind of looks like. Kind of does start to look like a car. This part was kind of hard to put on. I hated doing this part. Everything else is kind of fun. This actually you can move around, which is kind of cool. Again, my favorite feature is this moving. It does come with a lot of stickers. This is a sticker. It does have the seat that comes with the seat is also stickered. But I'm gonna take a break for a little while, and I'm going to come back, and we will start with bag 5. Okay, so I did take a break before, and I took a break before I started to do bag 5. Unfortunately, the video did cut out for that, so I'm just going to show you what bag 5 looked like, the end result of bag 5. This way, you guys know what it looked like instead of just showing you the end result, because I am pretty much done here. I did finish it. Just want to flip all the way to bag 5 so you guys can see. So let me show you what that looks like at the end result. So this is the start of bag 5. I'm going to show you the end of bag 5, I should say. So the end.
That's your family and your job.
The bag 5 would be right here. So basically, you'd have the 2 seats. You'd have this interior ring. You'd have this with the flags in the front here. Yep. And then bag 6, you make the hood. Let's see if I can get you all the way to bag 7. So you could just see the final process for bag 7 as well. So I'm gonna flip all the way to bag 7.
Sorry.
So that's actually before bag 7. Hold on. So the end of bag 6 is here. You can basically see everything in action. This is the hood, and this is everything else. And then we just finished doing bag 7. So bag 7 is basically everything connected together. So you do have the top of the interior. You do have this. You could also lift up the hood if you need to hook up something. These are the doors. The doors do open back and forth. These are kind of cool doors. You can see inside. Inside actually has 2 seatings where you can put little minifigures in there if you want. This is also another door. More details. You do have all this stuff. Flip it to the back side. The back side is also pretty cool. You do have the Lamborghini sticker here. And this is also really cool. The back interior is also really cool. The wheels are also awesome as well. I'm not really a big fan of how the door closes, because the door could close a little bit better. But that's fine, I guess. But you can make it as if the engine moves. So you would just go like this, just be like, oh, yeah, the car's moving. So you could actually just roll it like this, and the car will move itself, which is also kind of cool. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video of me building the Lamborghini car. And keep tuned for my next videos that are coming out. Hope you guys have a good New Year, and stay groovy.